Well, we know how troubling all the recent violence in Charlotte has been, and we've noticed a trend in those crimes that makes this even more concerning.
Reporter Gina Esposito joins us now in the studio. And Gina, too many of the people committing these crimes are children.
Now, Brittany, we got a hold of some troubling numbers that show more kids and teens are committing violent crimes in North Carolina. Just last week, when police charged a 15-year-old boy they say kidnapped, robbed, and raped a young woman in University City. Earlier this month, the 17-year-old was sentenced to life in prison for murdering college student Zachary Finch. Recent North Carolina crime reporting data shows that murders by young people under 18 are up 21%, rapes up 14%, and aggravated assaults up 10%. Among adults, those same crimes are down. With all this in mind, community activist Will Adams worries that the new Raise the Age law could make things worse.
If you don't hold these kids accountable for their actions at a young age, then when they become adults, they're going to continue to do it.
The Raise the Age law goes into effect on December 1st. This is how it works. 16 and 17-year-olds who commit misdemeanors and nonviolent felonies will be assigned to juvenile court rather than being automatically charged as an adult. The North Carolina Judicial Branch supports this new law. Researchers say it will help rehabilitate young offenders and, in the end, reduce crime. Back to you.